Linking and PBNs made simple. Dory Friend, creator of Page One Engine, has mastered link building and created awesome tools along the way. I want to tell you about the most powerful tool that each and every SEO professional has in their toolbox, and that is the power of their own personal blog network, or a PBN. I'm sure you've heard of the 80-20 rule, right? You know, where in business truly only 20% of the people do the work. Well, it works in search engine optimization as well. Out of all the links that come to your site from various places on the web, it's normally 20% of those links that are doing all the heavy lifting. Smart SEOs are taking control of that 20% to make sure that they can own the 20% power that can be unleashed when they need it to be. This is why personal blog networks can become so powerful. When the heavy lifting needs to be done, you have the right tool to do it, and do it over and over and over again. An example is Dory's dad, Dave. Great guy. He's in the olive oil business and does some pretty great marketing on his own. So he naturally gets links from his buddies in the olive oil industry, which is awesome, but not really enough to get him ranked high on the search engines for his favorite keywords. In comes daughter Dory with the power of custom-made PBNs or private blog networks, and kaboom, things start to happen. You see, links are like votes. Your site and search engines love to see that other people like your site so much that they want to link to it. And not only does Dory link some of those PBN sites directly to her dad's olive oil site, SEOs, by the way, call that a money site, hence the main site. She also links to some of the original natural links that her dad had already gotten from his friends to give those natural links a real kick in the pants. And that ends up sending more votes to his site, which means they go straight through and gives her dad's website the juice it needs to have more keywords on page one. Then a couple of months later, when her dad decided to sell olive oil on Amazon, Dory used the same PBN she'd already created to send links to the Amazon page, which in turn sent the Amazon page up in the rankings. And then when he got his YouTube video, guess what she used? That same PBN again to rank that video. I think you get the idea. Once you create a PBN, you can use it over and over again for money site assets, different money site assets. And she has created, that's right, Dory created Page One Engine to offer some super slick solutions to this exclusive Page One Engine community. That's all of us. Dory built a system from the ground up that she wanted to use for her own private blog networks, and she's going to share it with Page One Engine members. Over the years, Dory has found that you can't just build a PBN and leave it alone. It will become sad, and search engines like happy things, growing and fresh. So you need to continually add content to your PBN, and in some cases even links to keep your PBN healthy and strong. So Page One Engine members will get access to this system and actually use private blog networks. But that's not all. You will also be able to create your own. That's right, create your own. We will show you how. And once you learn how to build it, you will be able to add your sites to Dory's PBN software to easily manage and automatically update dozens, even hundreds of websites. Stay dedicated to this future we're creating together and commit to mastering this powerful tool just like Dory has.